Hey, what is up you guys? So, have a couple updates on the Celica. Been working on it a little bit more lately. Well, last week's video was all about the Tacoma, so if you're into that, you might want to check that out. The other day I had Ben's Beans over and Steve, the great ass. Don't ask me, that's his handle. We'll just call him Steve. We have Ben and Steve over, and we decided to test out a few things on the Celica. I have a lot of progress coming out on next week's video, but for right now, I want to show you this. Hey Steve, you want to see a magic trick?
Okay.
Watch this.
Sweet! Got some power?
I got some power, I got tail lights.
The biggest
Rock
magic
on.
trick would be if you could start it up right now.
It might crank. Should we see it? Should we see if it cranks?
Thinking about it.
Where are the keys at? I've got the keys over here somewhere.
Get the fire extinguisher ready.
Where did the damn keys go? Are they in the
The
ignition?
lighter from...
Pause.
I obviously wasn't here, but there's no stains on the ceiling like it...
No, it's weird. The only thing that you can see is the cobwebs up there are black.
But that's not abnormal.
Well, they weren't black before the fire, but it won't start because it's not connected. But
It'll just creak.
it might. It might. We don't know. It's in neutral. That's good. Oh yeah.
Like I said, a Toyota sounds like...
Yeah, she's there. That's the first time that's made any kind of noise like that since the fire. So
Promising.
Nice.
it is promising. And you guys are the witness. That's the first time I've tried that.
He was reluctant, but
It wasn't gonna do much because I don't have the ignition hooked up to it, but all right, it's alive. It's got some power. It cranks. My wiring is a success. So it wasn't ready to start yet, but that's coming very soon. I had a few more things to do, which I've actually already completed, and that will come out in the next video. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. What is up, you guys? My beard's all messed up. Gotta look pretty for the camera. I guess that's good. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see.